Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super duper excited, never like before, because today I am going to share a bit of feelings about myself, and also I am going to do makeup. So I thought, doing makeup, just doing makeup is so boring for you guys, and let's just have a conversation. Let's just share our feelings so that you don't feel alone in this world, and what is a situation throwing on to us, and this is something that we are feeling very sad about. So there was a few sad moments in my life too, so I wanted to share this with you guys. Doing a makeup look, so this is a very neutral makeup look that I've done, which will go for any occasions. I'm a very unexpressive kind of person, and I don't express a lot. It took me a lot of guts to upload this. So guys, I hope you see this with a very positive eyes, and also I thought I can use this very big social platform to motivate people a bit. I don't know how much you will be motivated, but I thought of sharing, literally I thought of sharing and just giving you some motivations. So yeah, also this can be a very opposite thought process where you feel like only visuals entertain you, not talking, but I tried. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. Okay guys, so let's straight away jump into the video. So the first step, you guys know to prepare your skin before applying any base. So I don't apply any primer. As you guys know, I have already applied a little bit of moisturizer and SPF since it is a daytime. So I will apply a little more moisturizer, the Bioderma moisturizer. You guys know I love it, and as you guys can see that my acne are still not over. It is on the way. It will take time. Acne do take time, and it will take a little bit of more time to vanish away, and till then I am not going to apply any acne corrector or something like that, because I don't want to make it more harsh doing that. So okay guys, let's talk about life these days. What's going on, because from last few weeks I am feeling the same anxiety problems and demotivations, and a little bit of frustration, because this is just not getting over, and we all are feeling that. In fact, the majority of people are feeling the same feeling. So I was thinking, why not sharing, when you listen to other people who are having these kind of problems, and you feel like okay, there are people who are feeling the same and I am not alone, and this really helps, listening to other people. And one thing that I've noticed, this is only happening, this anxiety issues, the mental health issues is only happening in this lockdown, because the previous lockdown was very chilled out and very normal. Yes, people were scared, but people were cooking new dishes, spending time with family, eating, doing everything at home, happy, and everything was normal. But this time it is really tough, dude. This is going beyond something that is not in our control. And this time, why I'm saying this is different, because people are depressed, dude. People are demotivated, depressed. They are craving for peace, and also some people stop dreaming. They're like, this is a never ending process, and I am finding myself in a hopeless position, which is really sad. Also, this time people are very scared of losing their life after what happened across the country. Shortage of oxygen cylinders, shortage of hospitality facilities, and all of that made them scared. Also, we have lost so many people out there, which was scary. I saw these videos in the social media where people are crying and craving for the hospitality facilities, the oxygen cylinders, and whatever it is, they are really not feeling like living the life. So I'm going to use the MAC foundation. This is in the shade NW13. So this is a very lighter shade for my skin tone. I just want to get over it, so I am using it in every single video. I'll use the pack blender. This is really good. This time it's really different, and also we are scared. Also I am scared, because we have witnessed so many cases around us. Every now and then people are dying. We can see it, we can eyewitness those kind of cases around us. My family got scared, because my friends, my relatives also went through this painful COVID situation, and really it was so painful to watch them having no hope. They were really crying because they have lost apparently everything. This hospital, they are taking so much money. It's like, for any middle class family, I feel like this is too much, and whatever they are earning, they're saving for life, it just vanished just like that. I feel this is where people and hospitals should help others. I know there are so many organizations helping others, and they're giving free of cost hospitality and all of those stuff, but in this place it's like they have grew up a new business and they just want to earn money, get money and make a business out of it, which is really really sad, man, which is really sad. And ये होने के बाद ना like पहले तो हमें फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता था कि कोई भी बैंड बाजा शादी वगैरह हम लोग रोड से जाते थे, या फिर एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल वेयर नारे लगाते लगाते जा रहे हैं यहाँ से, हम लोग ध्यान भी नहीं देते थे. बट दिस टाइम इट्स लाइक माई फैमिली एंड वी, whenever we see some band bajas going, and those incidents make us so angry sometimes, like खून खोलता था हम लोग का कि हम लोग क्या बोले. This made me think कि जब तक किसी अपने का नहीं होता है, we don't feel that much pain and we don't realize that this is going too far, and that's what happened with us, I guess. We were not prepared enough to see these kind of situations. I still remember when I was out for my vaccination. So अपने जगह पे अभी तक start नहीं हुआ था vaccination, and there are few village areas around our place where they have started एक जगह पे. So we thought let's just get this done ASAP. So we thought of visiting that village area for our vaccination, and in my mind I was already prepared because there will be crowd. गाँव के लोगों को समझाना and समझना is a big deal, man, because they are boss. They doesn't listen to anybody. यहाँ के लोग don't even believe in social distancing or stuff like that. They don't even try to believe that coronavirus exists, man. I was pretty sure the roads are going to be very crowded and we have to take care of ourselves. But surprisingly, dude, what we saw was really astound us. The roads were एकदम सन्नाटा, एक भी बच्चा नहीं जो रोड पे खेल रहा है. We are not seeing anybody out there. No group of people in chai ke tapri and chatting. Like, people are so damn scared, you can imagine, because those people were not like this. Never. They did not believe in anything. I was really happy to see the empty roads, I was really happy, but deep inside my mind you think the other way. Those people, most of the people in village areas are daily earning people, and वो रोज कमाते हैं रोज खाते हैं. The day they earn, they have their food and everything, but the day they don't earn, they can't eat. That thought made me feel their pain, guys. How are they dealing with this situation where you have to choose between losing your life and between your survival? If they don't go out, they cannot feed their family. If they go out, they are anyway risking their life, and this is really a tough call. And this time it's just not them, this time it's everyone who is facing these kind of problems because of financial issues. They are facing depression because of family matters. When you stay with a family for so many days and just बाहर भी नहीं जाना होता है, घर पे ही बैठे रहो and family के साथ कितना टाइम स्पेंड करोगे, कितना हैप्पीनेस शेयर करोगे, बिकॉज नाउ दिस इज गेटिंग a little bit overboard, and also you are so much frustrated that you end up hating those people who are very close to you. And this is happening with everyone. I still remember there are my friends who are working in travel sector. Just imagine what is happening to them. They are jobless right now. My friends who are working in organizing event organizers, and what is happening with them, because this is a lockdown situation and you cannot go out, you cannot manage events. because you will risk your life. Your family is not letting you do that. So many situations, I can't even tell you how they are feeling, because I had a chat with them and they were like really depressed because there is a financial issues going on, there is a family issues going on, and you never know. This is just a little thing that I'm saying. We can't even imagine what they're going through. There are so many situations, worst to worst situations. We are still in a good place. We should be grateful for that. From past few weeks, I was also feeling the same. When you say you are depressed or frustrated or feeling anxiety issues, it's not like आप बेड पे पड़े हुए हो, you're not feeling good, your depression and anxiety is going to show on your face. It's nothing like that. You do whatever you feel, everything is normal, but deep inside your mind it just kills you. It makes you think about your existence, and that is really bad. I am really not expressive at all. This takes a lot of guts to speak, and I don't know how much guts I will take to edit this and upload it. I don't know whether I can upload it or not. If I do think that it's taking a lots and lots of guts to upload this, because I am not at all expressive. My family is going to watch this, and it takes a lot. So yeah, I was facing this anxiety issues and depression issues a few weeks back. It's not because I am not happy or something like that. It's just that I am not finding my peace, because what I want to do is not happening because of this lockdown. Because I always wanted to be financially independent, and that is what I am dreaming from my school times, that whatever I do in life, whatever I read, whatever I want to be, I have to be financially independent after my studies get over, and I have to do it because it is one thing that makes you feel confident. Whether it be anything, whether I earn 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, doesn't matter. Just wanted to be financially independent so that I build up that confidence in me, that I don't be dependent on others. You know what I mean? अभी भी मैं अपने family के पैसों से ही जी रही हूँ, which makes me feel very sad sometimes. It's not that मम्मी के पैसों से जीना अभी शर्म आ रहा है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. It's just that I am in my 20s and I am doing nothing at all. Makes me feel so shame. In my mind, I always wanted to do a job, scheduled kind of life. I wanted to experience that scheduled life. सुबह उठो 7 बजे या फिर 10 बजे, जब भी ऑफिस हो उससे पहले उठो, इतना टाइम एक्सरसाइज करो, ऑफिस जाओ, ऑफिस से आओ. Everything just comes in a line, and I am a very lazy kind of person. So when it comes to scheduling, it always have to be a job which is from outside, where I cannot deny that I cannot go, I am feeling lazy, आज नहीं जाते हैं, क्योंकि वो कंपलसरी हो जाता, वो एक लाइफ में एक कंपलसरी रूटीन हो जाता जो आपको फॉलो करना ही है. सो I wanted to experience that thing. I did not want to do any work from home thing. I still do sometimes these days, but I did not wanted to do that because that is making us more lazy. Sitting home and earning money is just making me more lazy. So I'm going to share a small story with you guys. So when my studies got over, I did not wanted to come back home. I wanted to do a job and get financially independent and live my life how I feel like. But this did not happen because my family did not agree, and they were having a very practical reason behind it. They were like, you are going to earn there and you are going to live there, you have to give your rent, you have to give your food expenses, then how much are you going to earn and how much will you save? That was a pretty good reason, because if I earn some amount of money and I have to pay for my rent, I have to pay for my food, I have to pay for the necessity things, and that is not going to save me any money. I also wanted to save a little bit of money, do something with that, but yeah, I agreed to them, and my mom is like, come here, you get any kind of job, you stay home, eat good food and do job and do whatever you want. By then I was already in YouTube, okay. I uploaded 3 or 4 videos already when I was leaving that place. I left that place, I think 4th of February or 6th of February. I still don't remember the exact date, but between these 2 dates I came back home and I was like, okay, let's take a gap of 1 week or 2 weeks and then we will start finding jobs. And I asked my sister to ask her friends, because they were working in some kids school, and a good amount of money and salary was not my focus. My focus was only a good job where I get to earn a little bit of money. Doesn't matter, just earning is what I wanted. I want to experience the life and I wanted to save a little bit of money. I made my resume and I went to so many schools. I have given those things. I was waiting for my opportunity to come. I was happy and stuff like that. And then boom, everything was going on plan. And then 24th March, everything closed, lockdown, and just my life just flipped. I was thinking I'm going to earn money, I'm going to do this, I am going to save some money and spend it on my YouTube. That can make me grow a little bit. I can so many things that I was thinking, and suddenly God gave a jhatka to us and it's like, man, you are dreaming too much. That time I did not feel anything. I did not feel any sadness about what is going on. Shit, man, I did not get the opportunity. We were like, theek hai, ye kuch din chalega and then this will get over soon. I was always positive and I was always thinking positive. This will get over soon. Man, this is not the end of this life. You will get through it and you will do good in life. Definitely. And that lockdown was pretty chilled out. We spent so much good time, and also my brother was back from Bangalore. We had a very good family time. We started making new dishes. We used to make everything at home, golgappas, momos and everything. And in between there was Ramzan, and we enjoyed Ramzan very much, having new dishes. And we felt like, okay, it's okay, family time and this is going to get over. But little that we knew that this is going to come in here, in this situation right now, and we are going to get frustrated and so much disturbed about this. Just a month ago, I was feeling like, okay, everything is coming up normal, the lockdown is gone, and then suddenly this second phase of COVID returned and spoiled everything out. This made people crazy, and again my life just shuts. And this time I was feeling that pain, and this time it was like I stopped dreaming about anything and I was like, शायद कुछ नहीं होने वाला अब, बिकॉज मेरे दिमाग में इतना कुछ था कि चलो अभी सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो रहा है तो आई कैन डू अ काइंड ऑफ जॉब, आई कैन सेव मनी फॉर सम पर्पस इन फ्यूचर एंड आई कैन do a little bit of stuff that I wanted to. Till yesterday I was feeling frustrated and depressed about these stuff going on, and today when I sat in front of the camera and I started vlogging and whatever I do in my YouTube, not that I did not recognized before that vlogging and YouTube is my happiness, but today after so many days when I sat here I was like, this is my happiness, this is my peace. Whenever I sit in front of the camera, I make any videos, whether I upload it or not, or regardless of the views what I get, I feel so happy just filming the video. जब मैं ये full video film कर लेती हूँ and then when I go upstairs with my family, I literally have a different smile because I feel so happy that I did something. There is some purpose of my life. I am happy to do this because at the end of everything the cloud is going to go. You are going to have a ray of sunshine and that is going to be your life. So कुछ भी होता है कभी भी never forget that everything has an end. If you are in the most happiest days, that is going to end some days. You are going to get sad days also. If you are in the saddest day, you are going to get happy days also. That is, you know, reciprocal, and that is meant to be life. So we already knew what is life. Life is difficult. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हमें पता ही नहीं था कि लाइफ इज डिफिकल्ट, राइट? इट इज जस्ट अ बैड फेज ऑफ लाइफ. वी बिलीव इन दैट कोटेशन दैट इट इज अ बैड डे, नॉट अ बैड लाइफ. Add into it, it is a bad year. It might be a bad 2 or 3 years, but not a bad life. So, you know, mind it, get into your nerves, and don't expect this situation to get over soon. That will make you more frustrated. Assume that there is 1 or 2 years more to get over this situation, and 1 or 2 years, dude, it is going to go just like that. You have to be a little bit patient. Okay, not a little bit, but a little more patient. You have to have that strength in you, that power in you, to, you know, that zeal in you, that you have some purpose. You gotta do something to motivate yourself. So about the YouTube thing, I have told you that YouTube is my happiness and filming is something that I love. Other than that, there is a Chotu in my life, Yuhan. He is so adorable, guys. He's so cute. He makes me happy like anything. He is such a peaceful you know, soul. I love spending time with him. Whenever he smiles, वो जो दो उसके bunny teeth है सामने, it is so cute. Whenever he smiles, it feels like he's giving so much of positive vibes. You get so much of motivation from them. Just watching them, they always find happiness no matter what. They always get that point to find their happiness. And that is one thing that you have to learn from kids. Kids will explain you everything about life without telling you, without you know, speaking a word. It just their gestures will tell you that how important life is, how important it is to smile, how important it is to you know, make yourself happy. So he is really a great motivation to me. Whenever I feel very demotivated and sad and very murjhaya hua, I go to him, I play hide and seek with him, I have some good fun with him. He is a very naughty boy, by the way, very naughty boy, but he is very cute, very adorable, and he just makes my whole family smile. And that is the power of kids. You know, you should be around kids, you should be loving kids, because kids can make you laugh, kids can bring smile to your face, and they can also give peace. So if you're having kids around you, you're the luckiest one. If you're not, find it. And also, guys, you need to have some friends. Even if you have one friend, you need to have that one friend in your life who is going to give you power, strength, and everything. I have a friend, you guys know, she is so motivating. She motivates me for each and everything. She has that zeal and something in her. Whenever I speak to her, whenever I feel demotivated, I call her and I share my stuff with her, and she has something in her. I never told her अभी ये सुन के तू उड़ना मत, ठीक है? मुझे पता है ये सुन के तू उड़ जाएगी, but yeah, you have something. She has something very powerful. And जब भी मैं उससे बात करती हूँ I feel like रुक, मैं अभी कैमरा ऑन करती हूँ, अभी ये करती हूँ, अभी वो करती हूँ. Like she is so powerful, so pure soul, because only pure soul can give you motivations and encouragement for your life, and you need to have that one friend in your life. That is very, very important. People say that friends make you distracted for life and something like that, but in my case it was not like that. I was very lucky to find a friend like her, and always will be. Vomit your feelings. You just cannot store everything inside your brain, because this is your brain after all, not a tank. Okay, so you cannot just store everything. You have to vomit everything. You have to detox your mind, and you have to come out and share your feelings. If you are very introvert kind of a person, and if you don't have any friend like that, start writing journals, start vomiting everything in a piece of paper, and start sharing. You have to get those thoughts out from here, because you cannot store everything here. That will make you crazy. And when you start writing journal, when you start vomiting your feelings in a piece of paper, you feel relaxed. उसके बाद उसको फाड़ के फेंक दो, जला के फेंक दो, that is your wish, but you need to take this out. But if you are an extrovert, if you are having that friend, share everything with that friend and get some motivation, get some good stuff from that friend, gain something. It's just not a friend, like friend ka version mein kuch bhi. You can have a sister who is just like your friend, you can have a brother, you can have your mom who is just like a friend. Share with her, get some motivation from her, spend a little bit of more time with them. And when you start talking about your feelings, when you start talking about how you're feeling, it automatically gets out from your mind, and you feel very, very light. It's heavy out here when you store something. Okay guys, done with my base, and now I will jump into my eyes. So today I am going to use this Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I am just going to use the browns in this palette, because today I thought of making a very classic eye, very classic brown, which can go with any outfit you wear, which can go with any occasion. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, if you're feeling very bored and you are feeling the same thing like I was feeling a few days back, so there is one thing that really can help you. I never tried because I'm a very lazy person, and I already found my kind of happiness and told you, shared with you. You can also do the same, because those are the genuine things that is making your surroundings very positive and feels good. If you are a morning person, if you can wake up at 5 or 6, because that is the time when you don't have any crowd in the roads and you feel peaceful. So take your bicycle or your scooty or your bike, whatever two-wheelers you're having, not four-wheelers. Four-wheelers are really boring. I hate driving. Whatever two-wheelers you're having, take it, go in a very peaceful kind of a place. Go sit there, breathe, have some fresh air, and you will feel so peaceful right there. Go there and listen to your favorite music. You will feel very, very peaceful. After you return home, you will feel your day have started so good. And I know most of you must have very busy days and you don't have time for this. You have to do late night work, and subah utna is impossible. But Sundays, I think most of them are free on Sundays. Work from home में भी Sundays को छुट्टी मिलता ही है, and office के लिए भी Sundays को छुट्टी मिलता है. So you can go out on Sunday, have some me time, go out, listen to music, have some fresh air. I bet you guys you're going to feel very, very fresh and very peaceful, and that day is going to go very good for you. Also, if you cannot do this every day, you can always alternate with what you like to do. Also, there are so many people who love so many things. They like to cook, they like to paint, they like to listen to music, they like to read books. So you can do it alternatively. Reading a good book is really going to help you. Take a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, whichever you like. Sit with a good book, beside your window and start reading it. Start gaining something. Then you will not feel your day is hopeless. ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि यार I don't have a purpose of a day. You will feel that you have gained something, you have experienced something, you have learned something, and that will make your day, because you won't feel that you are a useless kind of a person. So that will make you feel very purposeful. If you love to cook, you can also cook good dishes. You can serve your families, make them happy with your tasty and yummy dishes. You can also go for some painting. And one thing that really helps me get out of frustration is music. Like, you have to believe this, guys, laziness is something that is going to make you depressed. The whole day bed mein pade rehna is not a good thing. It will make you feel more lethargic. It will make you feel more kind of half dead body that is just lying on the bed the whole day doing nothing. Even if you have nothing to do, wake up, help your mom in kitchen. You gotta do something. Like, you have to move your body. You cannot just lie down on your couch or on your bed and watch Netflix and watch shows, TV shows. It is just going to make your body very weak, very lazy, and your mind will automatically feel that you are good for nothing, you are doing nothing, there is no purpose of life and stuff like that. All things will just come around your mind. So do something, but make your body move. If you have nothing to do at all, play good music. Your body is automatically going to move and you are going to have a great time with you. So wherever it is, lock your room, have a good dance day, or go to your washroom while taking bath. Take your sound box or take your mobile phones, play your music and just dance. It is giving you a little bit of exercise, a little bit of warm up, a little bit of body movement, and that will make you feel fresh about you. That is also going to help you, guys. Believe me, guys, music do help me a lot. So I'm talking a lot and not doing it, because talking and doing is something that I am not expertise in. So I will just quickly finish my eyes, okay? Guys, so I am done with my eyes. I have applied my mascara. I am done with the waterline. So I have applied a maroon color waterline this time. So I am a bit confused about what lipstick shade should I wear. Should I wear a nude lipstick with this look, or should I wear something bold? I am just getting confused with them. So okay, let's try the bold one this time. So the bold color that I have shown you got dried because I haven't used it for so many days. So I am going to use the Faces Canada.
So this is in the shade Forsake Beauty.
So yeah, I am done with my lipstick also. So I forgot to apply highlighter. So I'll take the Huda Beauty palette and I will apply my highlighter from there. So I am going to take the shade Bubbly. Wow. Do you guys realize that after applying the highlighter, your face becomes a bit dull? I have to find a highlighter which is not making my skin dull. I have to work on it. for the look, guys. I am done with my final look. This is a look which you can wear it anywhere, any occasion. You can go to a party, you can go to a lunch, brunch, anything, because this is really soft and also gives you a very neutral face, very neutral colors on your eyes. So more than this look, I was very conscious and excited to share my feelings with you guys, and also kind of motivate you guys a little bit. I hope every bit of what I shared with you guys will help you some way or the other and give you more power and strength, and not make you feel that you are alone in this fight. Everyone is going through so many situations. We have to have gratitude and we have to be very grateful for what we have today. I just want you guys to stay happy, stay healthy these days, stay more powerful through mind and heart, and also stay strong physically, very healthy. Take care. A lot and lots of care is needed this time for your own self and for your family. If this video is motivating one single subscriber, even if you are not my subscriber, whoever is watching this, even if one people is getting motivated with this, this video is more than worth it. So I will take a leave now. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also do subscribe, and also comment, vomit anything you want to in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.